Hey Jotformers, 2020 is officially coming to a close. It hasn't been an easy year for anyone, but this month we're reflecting on some of our highlights for the year, as well as showing you how you can use Jotform to close out the year strong. We'll also be announcing an exciting PayPal integration and a brand new case study, so stay tuned. Just in time for the holiday sales rush, we're bringing you a new PayPal integration that will incentivize your customers by letting them buy now and pay later. Pay in 4 from PayPal is a program that allows online buyers to pay for their purchase with 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. And merchants still get paid up front, so it's a win-win for everyone. Check out our blog for more details on how to integrate Pay in 4 with your PayPal business order forms. 2020 was a busy year here at Jotform. With the pandemic affecting businesses around the world, we wanted Jotform to be a tool your company could turn to get through these difficult times. This month's newsletter highlights some of the major innovations we announced in 2020, including Jotform Tables and Jotform Report Builder, improvements to our payment forms, integrations with companies like Zoom and Zendesk, and much more. On another note, it's no surprise that 2020 has been filled with life lessons and learning how to navigate a new normal. Check out Jotform's blog for a reflection from our CEO, Idek Tonk, on gratitude in this unprecedented year. Jotform's also here to help you with all your year-end duties, whether it's scheduling remote holiday gatherings, facilitating year-end evaluations, using our various integrations for holiday season success, or even managing your year-end inventory with Jotform Tables. Whatever the task is, we have a solution for you. You can look on our blog for information on all of these and more. Last but not least, we're bringing you a case study with Corcoran Expositions, one of many companies whose year has been impacted by COVID-19. As a trade show organizer, Corcoran Expositions had to think on their feet to turn their shows into safe virtual gatherings. Learn how they use Jotform to manage their clients, exhibitors, and sponsors through this trying time and host fully remote trade shows. That's it for now. Be sure to hit subscribe for more updates from Jotform. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.